Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the double loop border. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to single crochet, double crochet. Also, this project is great for patterns that have multiples of 6 plus 1. So if you have a project that has that kind of stitch count, this border is perfect for you. For this video, I ended up just making a quick little swatch to represent like maybe this was a blanket that you wanted to put this border on. So this pink part is just completely ignored, it's just for representation. So for row 1, we are going to join with a slip stitch and then we are going to chain 3. Then in that same space where you joined your yarn, you're going to work a double crochet and then you are going to double crochet in every single stitch in your project all the way until the end of the row, and then you will turn your work. So here we are onto round 2. We're going to start off by chaining 1 and then you're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then you will chain 5. And then we'll jump straight into the repeat. So the repeat is going to be skipping 3 stitches, so 1, 2, 3. And then you will work 3 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. Then you will chain 5. You'll repeat this into the last 5 stitches. And then you will skip 3 stitches and then single crochet in the last 2 stitches. So if we are at the end of our project, we got our chain 5, 1, 2, 3, we skip those, and then we single crochet in the last 2 stitches. Then we turn our work. You can kind of see how the loops are forming. You might have to kind of push them into shape, but they'll end up getting their project design very shortly. So for round 3, we're going to start off straight into our repeat, which is going to be chaining 9. Then we are going to skip 1 stitch and we're going to single crochet into the next stitch, which just happens to be the center of the single crochet 3s that you did from the previous row. So again, it's chaining 9 and then single crocheting into that middle single crochet stitch. You'll repeat this all the way to the end. And there you go. That's how you do the double loop border stitch pattern. You might have to make these loops kind of flunk them into shape, but pretty straightforward. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day.